What's up guys? Today I am taking my 3-inch waterproof FPV drone, Deep Space Seeker 3, up to this waterfall, Cavernifoss, try to get some good shots diving it. The sun has come out, that wasn't supposed to happen, but we'll see what we can get. All right guys, here we go. First real FPV flight in Iceland. We are going to, I should probably turn my remote on. We are going to arm the drone, start recording, and we are off. This is looking stunning. Let's see, which side do we want to come in first? It's absolutely windy right now. We're going to start with the sun to our back. We'll just take and chase this line right in here. I did not love that. Let's try a line in from the other side here. Definitely got some wind. We're fighting that a little bit, but okay, that did not go well. So I really wish that it wasn't quite so sunny. I guess we do have a little bit of light getting filtered from the clouds. This 3-inch drone is definitely having a bit of a challenge handling this wind. We're going to go up around and redo that because that could have been a lot better. Whee! It's a pretty decent waterfall dive. I want to get the drone slightly wet. This may be a terrible idea. However, we are going to send it. Okay, I'm not loving what we're doing that way. Let's try going up the waterfall. There's some people there, okay. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. That's a little sketchy, and our battery pack is done for. So we are going to have to bring it in and land here. There we go. First pack, 50-50. See if we can get better. By the way, if you want to get cinematic shots with whatever drone you have, I've got something you won't want to miss. I've put together a completely free 45-minute drone filmmaking training where I share my top 10 secrets to getting cinematic shots with your drone, covering everything from the best settings to use, how to get smooth dynamic movements, how to work with natural lighting, how to compose your shots, how to edit, how to color grade, and a whole bunch more. And it's completely free. Link to it is down in the description. Now back to diving waterfalls. All right guys, second flight, here we go. First flight was okay, but now we've got some clouds, which I think is actually gonna look better. And also we cleaned off the lens on the drone because it had some stuff on it. So we are going to go. Let's see what we can come up with of a pretty entrance line here. We're going to go up to this cliff. And this is honestly kind of a long ways to start back here. But that is what we're gonna do. Right in through there. Right down through here. Boom, there we go. Out over this way, avoid the people. I feel like that looked pretty good. We do have a little bit of water on the drone now. I want to try to get a lower line this time. Let's see what we can do here. Looks like we're getting a bit of sun, but it's not too much, which is good. I've also bumped my shutter speed up a little bit so that I can slow motion the dive. Get the effect of a little bit longer hang time on the dive. Okay, this was not the exact line I wanted to fly. Avoid those birds there. Whee! That was a crazy, crazy line. I don't know if I love it. We'll have to see once it's stabilized how it turned out, but let's try to get one more entrance here. This time we're gonna go right along the edge. Whoa, that was close. Okay, it's hard to see. The lighting is bad. I have to do one more take on this. Boom, there we go. So now we're going to come around just like this. Oh, there's a bird, there's a bird, there's a bird. Whee! Okay, that was pretty good, honestly. I still do want to get the drone slightly more wet. So we're not going to do that line again. I was not super confident going through that gap. Okay, we're getting low with this one again. I think we're going to do the classic fly up and flip. Not loving that. We're gonna have to do one more pack. Guys, as you can see, sometimes to get the perfect shot that you want, it's not half as easy as you would think, especially if you're not 100% perfect at flying FPV, haha. Honestly, maybe I should just quit pushing my luck here, but I do want to get like the classic fly up to the top and then dive down. We're clear, guys. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Goggles are on, drone is armed. There we go, that was super, super clean. I'll just go in. That is the cleanest shot we got yet. Boom, canyon exit. Now we are going to do a shot where we fly nice and low like this. Come right up to it. There's Jackson. Okay, we're gonna flip back around and buzz him. I'm pretty sure that's him. We go right around behind this waterfall. Yeah! Let's go. It's a great shot. One last fly up to dive. And we are gonna head out of here. Let's go. I think that was it. Our battery is done. Now there's a bunch of people. We'll go around them. It's actually kind of cool little canyon bit over here. Our battery isn't actually done. It's just done enough that I don't want to do any more crazy dives with it. Do a nice fly through here. Reveal. And, oh man, I've got to go and try this. Alrighty guys, shots have been acquired and 0 drones crashed. And got a couple good flights directly through the waterfall. That was absolutely epic. And yeah, the waterproofing works. If you want to watch a video on how I learned to fly FPV, you can click right here. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos just like this.